Proverbs a day, day 4. It is day 4. We're reading out of the 4th chapter of Proverbs. And in this particular chapter are two verses that a lot of us hear often. The first one is in verse 7. Wisdom is the principal thing, therefore get wisdom. And with all you're getting, get understanding. And the second one is in verse 23. Keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. Now, these aren't necessarily the verses I'm going to focus on. The one thing I wanted to focus on in this chapter is the fact that this entire chapter is talking about the command to obtain wisdom. The father, which is Solomon, to his son, is urging his son to get wisdom, to focus on wisdom. Make wisdom the principal thing, the main thing. Make wisdom the thing that you go after. Make wisdom be in the forefront, and it will exalt you. When you have wisdom and when you seek after wisdom, it will exalt you. It will bring you to an honorable place. It will put you in the place of kings. It will, if you turn away from the things that are evil, the things that don't profit any good, and you know to do what's right, then you exalt wisdom, and you will bring honor to yourself, honor to your family, and honor to God. And that's really what I wanted to encourage you with, to seek after wisdom. You're, facing a situation, a decision to make, or you've been hurt by somebody. What is the wise thing to do in the situation? The main thing, the first thing we want to do is blaze the person out. First thing we want to do is fight, but what is the wise thing to do? Is that the wisest thing to do? What is the wisest thing to do? And once we do that, we bring honor to ourselves. People look at us and they'll, big us up and say, yo, you handled that situation better than I could have. And that makes you feel better. It doesn't make you look soft. It makes you, it's actually strength if you don't retaliate the way that other people would retaliate, or act out the way that other people would act out. So get wisdom, get understanding, forget it not. Neither decline from the words of my mouth. Don't forsake her. Don't turn away from wisdom. Get wisdom. Seek after wisdom. Seek hard after wisdom. And it talks about avoiding evil paths and keeping your eyes straight. What's that verse? That one verse. Let your eyes look right on, and don't let your eyelids, let your eyelids look straight before you. Meaning, and also think about, ponder the path of your feet, and let all your ways be established. Think about where you're going. Think about the path you're taking. Don't just walk aimlessly or make a decision aimlessly. Actually ponder the decision you're making. Actually ponder what it is and where you are going and the steps you need to take to get there. Don't, if you have a goal in mind, don't, seek out evil ways to do it. Seek out wisdom. Seek God. Seek God. Seek God. He's where wisdom is. So hopefully that encourages you today and causes you to read Chapter 4. It's only 27 verses, less than 5 minutes. It ain't nothing. And trust me, you'll find something that jumps out at you. The Word of God always does that. So be blessed.